Alright, let's start off with taking out this fuse box. You got two size 10mm bolts. Removing those will get this fuse box out the way, so we can then get to the spark plugs. Before I start removing these coils and getting to the spark plugs, we're going to blow it real quick so we can get any loose dirt or debris out the way. In order to remove those coils, you got 4 size 10mm bolts. Each coil has 1 bolt. Removing that 1 bolt, you remove the coil, you disconnect it from the harness, then you get into that spark plug. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the second coil, the second spark plug. I'll show you how to work this one here, and it's pretty much the same for the rest of the other 3. Using a size 10mm socket. In order to get this harness clip off of the coil, you push down on that tab and pull out. Just like that. Now I already got that size 10mm bolt out, so we'll move the harness clip off to the side and pull up on the coil. That's removing your coil, your spark plugs in there. Using a 5/8 spark plug socket and an extension, we'll get in there and remove that spark plug. Here's my extension, my 5/8 spark plug socket. Gonna apply a little bit of this anti-seize. Not too much, just a little, and it'll spread when we screw it in. Make it a little snug. Just snug it down just a little bit, because we're going to be getting that the torque ratchet and torque it down to 13 foot-pounds. Now we're going to put a little bit of of this spark plug boot protector. Just like that. Go ahead and put it in. Make sure you keep that little rubber seal on it. Then you put your clip back in. You repeat that process to the other three.